School life is so busy. Watch out! Don't get buried in work. Someone poured acrylic paint onto the bars. I wonder why. Sean loves doing pull-ups in PE. He is so athletic. But then he notices a little present from a bird on his hand. Ew! Is this actually bird poop? Gross! Class isn't over yet. Let's keep working out. Come on, get healthy. While the blue-eyed girl is toning her back muscles, Meg decided to help her commit. She tapes her legs to the equipment. Great support! Hey, what happened? Let me go! Megan! Teachers can pull pranks too. Mr. Cosine sneaks a full surprise into Megan's hood while everyone is resting on the bench. Go jog right now, you lazy bones! Megan's hair distracts her. A hood will be helpful. Whoops! Now her hair isn't the only thing distracting her. Why are there leaves on my head? Bringing a ball to programming class was not the best idea. A friendly game turns into a disaster. The ball bounces off everyone except for a screen. Boom! What a big crack! A black hole covers the whole screen. Oh no! You damaged school property. What have you done? You'll stay in the detention room forever. Ah, Mr. Cosine is so gullible. This is just a picture. Look, I fixed the screen. But Sean is still going to get punished. No one is allowed to stress the teacher out like this. It's a regular school day. But why is the blue-eyed girl going undercover? She's plotting something. She quietly ties her classmate's shoelaces to the leg of the chair. Done! Now we just have to wait for the mighty to fall. And here's the right occasion. Bam! Clumsy Sean! At least the whole class is having some fun. Recess? Great! Time for a coffee prank. Cover the teacher's mug and turn it upside down. Wipe off the spilled coffee and wait for recess to end. Checking notebooks is so boring. I could do with a cup of joe. Oops! A coffee-tastrophe! Now there's a whole puddle of coffee on the table. Good news! You are having a test today. Well, we are not ready. But Sean isn't upset. He can't take a test because his finger is broken. You can't argue with a cast. This is a great idea for skipping a test. I need to keep it in mind. The next day, half of the class comes to school injured. Whoa! Girls, what happened? Well, you can't take a test like this. It worked! Now we just have to last till the end of class. Here's a genius idea to pull off while the teacher is away. Let's cover the blackboard with soap. This is the cleanest it's ever been. Shh! Mr. Cosine is coming. Class is starting. But the chalk refuses to write on the blackboard. What happened? The eraser is covered in foam. I see. Is this a soap prank? Who did this? Sneaky Megan passes the evidence to her neighbor. This is a setup. I'm not guilty. Our victim Sean has to clean the whole board. The double prank worked perfectly. Whoops! It's a new school day, but the classroom looks different. Just look! What happened here? Mr. Cosine's class got TP'd. Who did this? Tell me right now. Whose idea was this toilet paper destruction? The students are innocent, but you will still have to clean. So who did this? Mr. Cosine himself! What a great prank! Now he can surf Instagram instead of teaching. Chemistry class is a great opportunity for a prank. We'll put water into a bottle instead of dangerous chemical agents. And now we can make a chemical reaction. The poor teacher doesn't suspect anything. I have to mix the agents carefully. Oh, I accidentally poured too much. I'll drink the excess. Oh no, the teacher is going to have a heart attack. This substance is poisonous. Calm down, Mr. Cosine. This is just water. Want some? White glue and a test tube of food coloring are the best lab partners for another chemical prank. Coat your palm with glue and wait for the teacher. So how is your chemical reaction going? You have to mix these agents. Our brave Sean pours everything from the tube onto his hand. Ah! It's a third-degree burn! Help! The poor teacher. He got really scared. But this is just food coloring. The hand is okay. What's wrong with you, man? Your pranks will kill me. Sean gets inspired during art class. Oh yeah? What an unusual style. So much expression. How dramatic. That's a great picture. Megan likes it too. But the teacher doesn't. Is this supposed to be a portrait of me? It doesn't look very lifelike. The horns are wrong. Oops! Awkward! I'll have to eat this friendly caricature. Sean keeps getting distracted in art class. That won't do. The teacher will make him focus on his paint. Mr. Cosine coats a brush with a thick layer of gouache paint. Perfect! Sean, it's time to make a masterpiece. Get started right now. I'm watching you. Whoops! I got you! Sean's hands are covered in paint. It'll take a lot of time to wash this art away. It seems like someone forgot to brush her teeth. Oof! What a smell! Please, don't get that close to me. How do I give my friend a hint that her mouth smells bad? I have an idea. This is art class. I'll just cover toothpaste with a paint wrapper. Here, Meg, take white paint. What is this? Toothpaste? Yeah, you need it more than I do. Ugh. Okay, hint taken. If you cover a trash can with plastic wrap, you can have fun all day long. Sean is so carried away with his book that he doesn't notice anything. He drops an apple into the can and it goes back into his mouth. Isn't it magical? Coding class, we need to program a prank for the teacher. You in? Open a picture of a program system error and zoom in to make it full screen. Help! The system got broken into. Hackers are hunting for me again. The teacher is coming to the rescue, but there is nothing he can do. Of course, because this is just a picture. One computer is defused. Great! The blue-eyed girl needs to leave the room right now, but she needs to trick the teacher. He will definitely notice a student missing. I have an idea, a doppelganger. Put a backpack on the chair and a ball on the desk and cover it with a hoodie. I'll pretend that I'm working hard on something. Cover for me, buddy. You'll tell me later how the class ended. The bell rings. Our class is over. But one student is still sitting here. She really loves to learn. Hold on, this is just a scarecrow. The teacher is so gullible. We prepared another sticky prank for our teacher. control! Your glasses won't pass, Mr. Cosine. Phew! These school pranks should be against the law. Did you like our school pranks? Then comment below how you will prank your classmates and teachers in class. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new funny pranks from Troom.